Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. We have a pack of Flux Basketball 2022-2023. Only 4 cards come per pack. Let's see what we can get in here. Mojos. Yep, that's right. Mojos. So we're looking for Mojo. And let's see. Luka with the O team. Jusuf Nurkic. Purple parallel. I guess it's not. I guess that's just what it looks like. Kentavious Caldwell Pope and Reggie Bullock. That's a refractor. It's hard to tell, but it is. Doesn't say it though. Maybe it's not. Looks like it is. Alright, thanks for watching, folks. So we got 2 purple ones in there. I think those are something. I'm not for sure, though. I don't open much Flux. Alright, thanks for watching, folks. If you would, hit that subscribe button. Remember to like and comment if you'd like to follow for more. Have a great day.